Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I have an exciting job opportunity to share with you. To everyone who has already subscribed, thank you. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so that you never miss out on a job opportunity. This position here is with Walgreens. It's for a remote call center specialist. Here is an overview about the position. When you're on the job, the care you provide customers is just a call or a chat away. You can join our team as a pharmacist, pharmacy technician, or customer care specialist in our call centers, or work from your very own home office. It's the opportunity to be the voice of the company and a vital line of support. And every day, your expertise in problem solving will enable our in-store teams to spend more time focusing on the communities we serve. Remote call center specialist. Job summary. Pay for this position starts at the base rate of $15 per hour and will increase to $16 per hour after 90 days of service. Now, can you be responsible for a high volume of inbound and outbound calls with customers, physician offices, patients, or third-party providers about the company's products or services, following standard SOPs and procedures, working under direct supervision. Ensures all contacts receive efficient and courteous service. Duties may vary based on assigned department. Now, some of your responsibilities would be resolves routines, general questions and problems submitted by customers, physician offices, patients, and third-party vendors via different sources with limited variety, following established guidelines and standard SOPs and procedures. Utilizes all available information to choose the best solution and resolve customer concerns. Directs complex questions and problems to more senior staff level. Uses a computer application to log and track inquiries, as well as to check the status of items that require follow-up or involvement of other parties. Documents contact interactions, records details, complaints, comments, and actions taken. Coordinates with other functional areas as necessary. Refers unresolved, escalated issues as designated by the departments for further investigation. Contacts customers, physician's office, patient or third-party vendors to respond to inquiries or to notify them of investigation results and planned adjustment. Handles inquiries for one or more lines of business. An employee in this position can expect an hourly rate of $15 plus bonus pursuant to the terms of any bonus plan, if applicable. Will depend on experience, seniority, geographic locations, and other factors permitted by law. To review the benefits, you would click on this link here. Some of the basic qualifications is high school diploma or GED, intermediate level keyboarding skills, and that would be at least 25 words per minute. Basic level PC skills, for example, starting and shutting down a computer, using a mouse to point and click, save files, print documents, things like that. Basic search engine skills, to include opening a browser, typing in URLs in the correct location, using the search engine, bookmarking, communicate effectively in writing and verbally. The following locations are not eligible for this opportunity: Alabama, Washington, California, Oregon, Massachusetts, DC, Alaska, Oregon, Hawaii, New York, Puerto Rico, and Chicago, Illinois. This is a work-at-home position. To be eligible for this role, you'll be required to have an active home phone line, cell and voice over IP not supported, and high-speed internet connection, DSL, and satellite not supported at the time of your application. These utilities will not be reimbursed by Walgreens. Some of the preferred qualifications are at least 1 year of customer service experience in centralized services or call center environment, experience in retail or healthcare, experience providing customer service to internal and external customers, including meeting quality standards for services and evaluation for customer satisfaction, intermediate level keyboarding skills, at least 35 words per minute, fluency in English and Spanish. It says health and insurance coverage is FSA and HSA, dental coverage, vision, life and personal accident insurance, disability coverage. They also support your well-being with well-being resources, free prescription savings club, weight management discounts, free flu shots, paid time off, and paid parental leave. They also have Walgreens retirement savings plan, employee stock purchase, and other perks as well. Now, to apply for this position, you would click the apply button and then go from there. I will have the link for this position in the description box below, and I will also have the link for the careers page so that you can take a look at the other positions that are available and apply to those as well. I want to wish you all the best of luck in your job search. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch my video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more job opportunities. And until next time, bye.